We can create word lessons using LibreOffice. I prepared such lesson for the Hubblecast episode 133. I have to type words in English. If I don't remember them, then I can use hints with transcriptions. I can also listen to pronunciation of words and phrases that can be taken from a free database or recorded and edited using a program that can do it, maybe with noise after recording. Absorption line, but without it after editing. Absorption line.
Facilitate. Inspire. Disperse. Decipher. Obstruct.
Absorption line. To date.
Therefore. Feeble.
Facilitate. Inspire. Disperse. Decipher. Abstract. Absorption line. To date. Therefore. Feeble.